Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives review about skincare and haircare products. So today I will give review about a skincare product called Easy Glow Body Wash. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Easy Glow Body Wash. The half cast contains Gluta1 plus Gluta 220,000 mg. It an extra strength whitening body wash. It helps to remove blemishes and increase radiance. Easy Glow Glutathione Drip Half Cast Whitening Body Wash is a pure organic body wash with premium whitening care. RX Gluta1 plus Gluta C 220,000 mg drops contains a fabulous and luxurious whitening agent allying delicacy and performance. This unique care glutathione drip half cast whitening body wash will bring out your beauty by hydrating, by unifying and by limiting the dark spots, repairing all the imperfections by revealing the brightness of your skin. It reveals day after day in the perfection of a complexion of an infinity sublime beauty. How to use Easy Glow Body Wash. Apply the body wash on your skin when taking your bath. Apply it 2 times daily for maximum results. Regular use will make your skin complexion to be perfect day after day. It will also make your skin appear more radiant and youthful. For external use only, avoid contact with eyes. If irritation occurs, stop using it. Easy Glow Body Wash. Side effects. The body wash doesn't have any side effects, but if you are using it, follow the direction. Once you do that, trust me, you won't see any side effects on the body wash. Benefits of using Easy Glow Body Wash. 1. It whitens the skin. 2. It helps to bring out your beauty by hydrating. 3. It limits the dark spots on your skin. 4. It repairs all imperfections. 5. Aids in the removal of skin blemishes and flaws, which enables the skin to become cleaner, softer. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.